Shit. Yo! Look at this. Yo!
Yeah, there's a bunch of U's. I've seen.
Why are there so many U's? These are IUDs, you didn't know? Yo! Okay.
Some moisture in the air.
Let's see. All the U's in here. I'm terrified.
I am terrible every time I fucking plug in.
Probably came to the
I'm a little scared.
I'm like the world's
spot to start out.
worst proximity pilot, and this is like nothing but.
This is full U into the deep.
Go stand out on the outside of this parking lot.
Never.
I'm afraid I'm gonna yeet into
What's
something
down that way?
moist.
Can we fly?
Oh, so you can yule into here and then like. Oh shit, it's not even that high. Oh, it's kind of wet down there, bro. Wow, the hole's to the left. Wow, that is way different than I expected it to be. It's a little, you gotta like huck this thing, it's like a stingy loop. Terrible.
Did you do it?
No. Oh god! That was a like direct to my camera. Is my camera okay?
Yep, and it's still recording.
Wow. How the fuck did that happen?
Wait a minute, you.
Yep. Well, now I'm terrified. God damn it. I fucked up. Now my heart's beating a little bit faster.
Do not lean forward.
Yeah, no, I'm good on the leaning forward part. Oh, I'm not that close. I thought I was a lot closer.
It was to have to stumble. You'd be fucked.
Yes. Fuck! I can't do it. I'm gonna come back to it. Oh god, I'm fail-safing. I literally fail-safed for a second. It was cool.
Are you on ludicrous?
No,
He's on spectrum.
I am. Why can't I do this? I'm terrified to come back super.
Because you're standing right there?
No.
Nah, it's hard.
Oh, yeah.
Because it looks a lot lower right there in the value.
It's actually like I don't need to throw as hard.
No.
Too high.
Now it's gonna flick on it. There we go, there we go. It would have been just a little too hard.
What's this all about right here? Is this a hole? Oh yeah.
That was the whole thing.
That's
But
terrifying.
it doesn't have the fucking, it has a little string, but not the big string. There's a skull right there.
God damn it, too much. Alright, I know the amount of throttle I need. Too high. I might have been able to stuff it in there, but I was not having it.
That would have been it if you wanted to hit flip.
Yeah, I blipped. I was trying to control it from going higher. I'm trying not to roll into it.
Yeah. Keep balance to roll.
Yeah.
There you go. While you're going for the hole? Go for the hole.
Go over the hole.
Go for the hole.
I don't even know where it is.
I know, and he gets it the hard way. Son of a bitch.
What?
Son of a bitch.
Oh, my battery almost unplugged. It was like, it's coming undone. Coming undone. It's a fucking corn song.
Just in the
Holy fuck.
Yeah, it's real. I like that it's cut apart because the ribs are cool looking.
Fucking huge. This is all concrete that it used to sit on top of, and they tried to move it, and they managed to somehow get it off the concrete. But
You know, it was a battle. They were like, we gonna move this tonight.
yeah, the jackhammers and shit trying to break the concrete.
They brought a
apart.
fucking torch up and everything.
Oh yeah. Here's the other piece of concrete too. It's like they've been going at it. They're working hard for that
Got metal.
$3 a pound or whatever.
It's like
Shit's
6
worth.
cents a pound, man.
Is it?
This is actually stainless.
$4 a pound.
Yeah, it's actually kind of expensive. But Jesus Christ, how much is your time?
Not shit when you're fucking,
When you're trying to get some drugs, bro.
Yeah, most of the scrappers here are all alcoholics from what I can tell. They always are like, yeah man, I got enough to get 2 6-packs tonight.
That's not enough.
That's the goal of your day, you know, just go at it. That's what the scrapper man does. He drives his big ass blue truck. He's out here every fucking day getting his
Wait, so the police don't care that you scrap it?
Oh, they put the fences up to try and stop him. And he just ran with his fucking big ass blue truck.
Sick.
Crackhead ran off with your stuff.
Oh man.
Not that fast.
Oh, he's still here. He's right there. He's right there. I do think that flying the time machine would be rad, but it's kind of pointless. Oh shit. Dude, what? God damn. That's a lot of spider web right there. Ah! Oh god, we good. God dang. My attire is not right. Yo! There's so many U's. Ow, I did stab myself. I should probably get a tetanus shot.
You should get an AIDS vaccine.
God damn.
Oh, you're like bleeding legit.
Oh, you got a lot of water.
Yeah, you want some water?
Yeah, give me a little.
Just
Just a little bit, hold on. I think I've got like a nice little spleen tar. Okay, that's good.
Put it on something rusty.
No, I slapped my bag. No, it was this. It was that piece of whatever this is. It's like plexiglass. It looks like a shark's tooth.
Dude, I got a piece of toilet through my shoe here one time.
Look at this. That's what I slapped.
Tiny little one.
Yeah, it's a little micro shark's tooth.
Sacrifice to the quad gods.
Yeah, at least it's not metal.
You'll be in their favor for a little while. It's just a little bit of blood.
All right, can I get a tiny bit more water and then I'm gonna hold a pressure on this piece of shit. All right, cool, thanks. Ow, that's a deep.
At this spot, you reach this, you can reach these skywalks over here.
I was standing.
All this building, up under there, star, the abyss, all of it.
What's this abyss?
This is down here.
God damn.
It's like more than 20 feet deep of water down there. And if you're lucky, your quad's real light. It'll float on water too. Most people, not so lucky. We fished a couple of them off the surface. But
Wow.
there's 2 quads down there, and there's a brand new here 9. Do it! There's a great dive right here.
down there for sure.
Why are they flying over here?
There's a great dive right here, dude. This this goes up. This floor's open. The next floor is a roof, and there's a sky walk above it. So there's.
Dude, these are cool.
I'm not gonna be.
There's a lot of action over here.
See it?
Yeah.
What? Up against the wall. It looks like a
Right there. Just throw away quad.
Well, you know.
They're trying to go
I'm not
for a
gonna deny
fucking
that.
swim over there.
Shoot.
Time machine.
Are you in the time machine?
Yeah.
Shit.
Ah!
What?
Went through the time machine and played video. So.
Did you go through the time machine?
Yeah.
Dang.
It's not tall enough. How the fuck do I get out of this room now?
In a what?
I'm stuck in the room.
Oh, you're out now.
Which hole is the time machine in?
To the right and low. To the lower, higher. The window to your right.
Oh, the one next.
Yep, right above you
one
right now.
here.
That one. That one. Oh, go double up in the time machine room.
You in there, Chris?
He's in there.
Don't come near us. I got him! Woo!
I was a little scared because the dead part of your antenna is pointed directly at it.
Yeah.